In today's world, where obesity and diabetes have become prevalent, people are constantly looking for ways to maintain a healthy lifestyle. One way to do that is by watching what we eat. Foods high in carbs and sugar can lead to weight gain and spikes in blood sugar levels, which can have a negative impact on our health. However, there are many foods that are both delicious and nutritious that are free of carbs and sugar. These foods can help you maintain a balanced and healthy diet while also satisfying your taste buds. In this article, we will discuss 10 foods with no carbs and sugar. Number 1 is eggs. Eggs are a great source of protein and contain no carbs or sugar. They are also a good source of healthy fats and can be cooked in many ways. Number 2 is meat. Meat is also a great source of protein and contains no carbs or sugar. You can choose from beef, chicken, pork, or any other type of meat you prefer. Number 3 is fish. Fish is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids and protein. It is also low in carbs and sugar. You can choose from salmon, tuna, or any other type of fish you prefer. Number 4 is cheese. Cheese is a great source of calcium and protein. It is also low in carbs and sugar. You can choose from cheddar, mozzarella, or any other type of cheese you prefer. Number 5 is nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are high in healthy fats, protein, and fiber. They are also low in carbs and sugar. You can choose from almonds, walnuts, sunflower seeds, or any other type of nut or seed you prefer. Number 6 is avocado. Avocado is high in healthy fats and fiber. It is also low in carbs and sugar. You can enjoy it on its own, as guacamole, or as an ingredient in salads and other dishes. Number 7 is vegetables. Vegetables are an excellent source of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Many vegetables are also low in carbs and sugar. You can choose from broccoli, spinach, kale, cauliflower, or any other type of vegetable you prefer. Number 8 is berries. Berries are high in antioxidants and fiber. They are also low in carbs and sugar. You can choose from strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, or any other type of berry you prefer. Number 9 is unsweetened tea and coffee. Tea and coffee are both low in carbs and sugar. However, you should avoid adding sugar or sweeteners to them. Instead, you can add a splash of milk or cream. Last but not the least, number 10 is water. Water is essential for our health and contains no carbs or sugar. It is important to drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated. Conclusion: incorporating these foods into your diet can help you maintain a healthy and balanced lifestyle. They are not only low in carbs and sugar but also contain many essential nutrients that our bodies need. Eating a variety of these foods can help you stay full and satisfied while also providing many health benefits. So, go ahead and enjoy these delicious and nutritious foods with no guilt.